god, it's so loud. Verity, you're so loud, daddy. Verity, you're so loud. Come on. I downloaded the real Verity, guys. This is my real house, guys.
Me.
House review. And this is my Verity, daddy. Oh no. This is the Verity. I got these rods. I got this fishing rod for what is that called? Emergency if Verity gets horny. I mean scary, bro. Okay. We're gonna open the box. Okay. Oh, Verity.
Can you talk to him?
Hello, I'm Verity, your personal helper friend. Ask me anything. I know everything.
Here, Verity, that's yours. Okay. Verity. That potion is for you.
Yo, can you speak, yo? Oh shit, wait.
No, there is no. Oh my god. I hate you, bro. I hate you.
Wait, is there
Verity.
journey mode? What the heck?
I hate you, Verity. Hate you, Verity. Fuck you.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I hate you, Verity. You try to kill me again. Oh, bro, they got
You
obliterated.
just destroyed your wife.
No. Go.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Go.
PC.
Oh my god. What the heck, daddy? I survived. Oh, Verity's gone. Oh no. There is Jenny and Verity. How you survive? How, daddy? How? What the heck? Oh, I see you, Verity. I see you, Verity. Oh. Hate you, Jenny Mod.
Son of crime.